If Firefox is giving you a cookie settings problem, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. We'll clear site data, reset tracking protection, add exceptions for a specific website, and check whether an ad blocker is causing the issue. This works for common problems like websites not loading properly, cookie banners not appearing, login pages looping, or sites telling you that cookies are blocked. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get started. First, let's clear your site data in Firefox. This is one of the fastest ways to fix cookie-related issues because old cached data, broken cookies, or corrupted site storage can stop a website from working correctly. To do this, open Firefox and click the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, go to Settings, then click Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the Cookies and Site Data section. Here, click Clear Data. A small window will appear, and you'll want to make sure both boxes are checked. That includes cookies and site data as well as cached web content. Once both options are selected, click Clear to confirm. After that, restart Firefox or refresh the website and see if the problem is gone. If the site is still having trouble, the next step is to reset Firefox's tracking protection. Firefox's enhanced tracking protection is very useful for privacy, but sometimes it can be a little too aggressive and block the exact cookies a website needs to function. To check this, open the menu again and click Settings. Then go back into Privacy and Security. Under Enhanced Tracking Protection, click Advanced Settings. If you've changed this setting before, switch it back to Standard. Standard mode allows most cookies while still blocking known third-party trackers, which is usually the best balance for normal browsing. After selecting Standard, reload the website and test it again. In many cases, that alone fixes the cookie issue. Now, if the problem is only happening on one specific website, like your bank, an email service, or a shopping site, you may not need to change Firefox settings globally. Instead, you can add an exception for that one site. Go to the website that is showing the cookie problem. Look to the left side of the address bar and click the small shield icon or the padlock icon, depending on the site. This opens the site's protection and security options. From here, turn off enhanced tracking protection for that specific site. This tells Firefox to allow that website to use the cookies or scripts it needs without changing protection for every other site. Refresh the page after disabling protection and check whether the error is fixed. Another very common cause of cookie issues is an ad blocker or privacy extension. Extensions like uBlock Origin, Malwarebytes, or similar tools can sometimes block cookie consent banners, login scripts, or other necessary page elements. If you have one installed, it's worth testing. Open the Firefox menu again, then go to Extensions and Themes. Click Extensions. Now look through your installed add-ons and temporarily disable any ad blocker or privacy extension you think might be interfering. After disabling it, reload the site and see if the cookie problem disappears. If it does, you've found the cause. At that point, you can either keep the extension off for that site or adjust its settings so it doesn't block important website functions. So, to quickly recap, clear your site data, reset tracking protection to standard, add an exception for the affected website, and disable any ad blockers that might be interfering. One of these steps usually solves the Firefox cookie settings problem right away. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.